Good day everyone and welcome to this another video lesson. So today I am going to discuss about Hinge Theorem. So let's define what is all about the Hinge Theorem. So it states that if two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle and the included angle of the first is larger than the included angle of the second, then the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle. So ano ba, no? Or ito yung definition ng ating Hinge Theorem. So, isa-isahin natin yung definition ng ating Hinge Theorem. So, let's have an illustration. So, ito yung ating dalawang triangles natin. So, dito muna tayo sa first part nung sa kanyang definition. So, naka-state dito na if two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle. So, for instance, dito sa illustration, we have triangle toy. Then, yung ating pangalawang triangle is triangle car. So, para malaman natin yung dalawang side na congruent, meron tayong makikita ng mga tick marks. Okay? So, for example, dito sa ating first triangle, meron tayong one tick mark here, dito sa side TO. And then, dun sa kabila naman, we have side CA. No? So, meron din siyang one tick mark. So, ibig sabihin, sila ay magkapareha. Sila yung magka-congruent. No? So, we can have here that side TO is congruent to side CA. Okay? Then, yung pangalawa naman, dito na tayo sa first triangle natin, yung may dalawang tick marks, which is we have side TY, which is congruent to the second triangle na may dalawang tick marks din, that is side CR. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi natin dito sa first part ng kanyang definition na two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle. Okay? And then, let's have the next part. And the included angle of the first is larger than the included angle of the second. So, na-discuss na natin before kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng included angle. No? So, to recall, ang ibig sabihin ng included angle natin ay nasa gitna siya ng ating dalawang given sides. So, for example, dito sa ating triangle toy, so si side TO, then si side TY. So, yung magiging included angle po nito ay dito sa angle na part, dito sa angle T or angle OTY. So, dito natin ilalagay yung ating included angle. Then, dito naman sa second triangle natin, the first side is side CA, then the second one is side CR. So, yung kanyang angle, para mapagkitnaan siya nung dalawang given side natin, is dito sa angle C. O pag tatlong letters, you have angle ACR. Okay? So, ngayon, sabi dito na yung included angle of the first is larger than the included angle of the second. So, kahit wala tayong nakalagay na measure dito sa angle natin, by visualizing or pag titignan natin, makikita naman na si angle T ay mas malaki dito kay angle C. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo na makita pa talaga yung kanyang exact na measure, pwede po tayong gumamit ng protractor. Pero dito, by merely looking, we can say na si angle T is greater than angle C. Okay? So, dito sa last part ng definition ng Hinge Theorem, sabi dito that the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle. So, nasaan ba yung third side ng ating first triangle? So, ito po, yung walang third tick mark. Then, dito sa kabila, dito naman kay side AR, yung ating third side. So, dito, sinabi na ay yung third side, kapag yung ating included angle ay mas malaki doon sa second angle natin, ibig sabihin po nun, yung third side daw ay magiging mas mahaba siya kaysa sa doon sa ating second triangle. So, since dito sa ating illustration, si angle T ay mas malaki siya, yung ating angle, kaysa kay angle C, then we can say now that the third side or angle or side OY is greater than side AR. Okay, so that is all about Hinge Theorem. So let's have more examples para mas maintindihan pa. Okay, so example number 1. So let's have once again two triangles. So you have triangle ABC, which is our first triangle. Then the second triangle is triangle DEF. So lalagyan natin, or yung paglalagyan natin ng ating included angle should be in between the two given sides. So, itong side AB at saka side AC. So, dito natin ilalagay yung angle natin o yung included angle kay angle A. Then, dito naman po kay side DE and side DF for triangle DEF, dito po kay angle D. No? So, let's check. Ayan. So, number na po yung nilagay ko. So you have angle A is 67 degrees and the second one is angle D. We have 76 degree. Okay? O 76 degrees. So let's state first yung ating mga given. So ang first natin, syempre yung para hindi magulo, yung may isang tick mark muna. So you have side AB. So congruent siya dito sa pangalawa, yung may isang tick mark din, side DE. Okay? Then next, you have the two tick marks. You have side AC. O, pwede rin po baliktad yan. Wala pong mali doon. So you have side AC or CA. That is also congruent to side DF. So we're done with the two sides. Then let's proceed dun sa kanyang included angle. So included angle natin is angle A and then angle D. So what relation symbol ang ilalagay natin? Greater than, less than, or equal. So dito, kitang-kita natin na si angle A, which is 67, is mas mababa dito kay angle D, which is 76 degrees. So we can have now that angle A is less than angle D. So since si angle A is less than dito sa angle D natin, therefore, we can say na yung third side ng ating first triangle, which is side BC, is also less than the third side of our triangle DEF with angle 76. We have now side EF. Okay, so yung third side natin is less than, or side BC is less than side EF. Okay? Okay, so let's have example number 2. So we have another two triangles. So nag-iba lang yung pwesto or yung kanilang position. No? So we have the first triangle is triangle DEF. Then the second triangle is triangle GHI. So dito, i-figure out natin saan natin ilalagay yung ating included angle. So in this illustration, based dito sa given two sides, you have side DE and EF. So paglalagyan natin dito kay angle E. And for the second triangle, you have GI and side HI. So meaning, ang kanyang included angle ay dito kay angle I. Yeah. As you can see, we have angle E, which is 70 degrees. And the second triangle, we have angle I, you have 84. So isulat natin yung mga given natin. So first, yung first tick mark, you have side EF, which is congruent to side HE. So the second one, we have side DE, which is also congruent to side GI. Okay, and then for the included angles, they're going to have yung kanilang relation symbol, no? Kung greater ba siya, less than, or equal. So for angle E, as you can see, which is 70 degrees, compared dito kay angle I na 84 degrees. So we can have that angle E is less than angle I. No? So mas mababa o mas maliit si angle E kaysa kay angle I. So if that's so, we can now conclude that the third side of our triangle DEF, since our included angle is less than compared dito sa ating second triangle, we can have now that side DF, okay, so side DF is less than side GH, okay? So let's have example number 3. So we have these two triangles. You have triangle JKL, then the second triangle is MNO. So our included angles, dito siya sa triangle JKL, you have angle L, dito po yung ating included angle. And then for triangle MNO, dito po sa angle N. So as you can see, angle L is 60 degrees, and then the second one is also 60 degrees. So we can have now that side KL is congruent to side NO. So ito yung may tigisang tick marks. Then for side JL, which is congruent to side MN. So for the included angles, it's very obvious, no? So yung gagamitin natin for na relation symbol for this, we have that angle L is equal to angle N. So since they're just the same. So, kapag magkaparehas yung angle o yung buka ng ating mga included angles, meaning, yung mga na-create din niya na third side ng ating dalawang triangles din ay magiging equal din. No? So, you have now side JK is equal to side MO. So, that is all about the Hinge Theorem. Okay, so I hope that you've learned something for this video lesson. So always remember that this topic, Hinge Theorem, particularly sa ating triangle, kapag mababa yung angle na na-create, meaning yung side no, na ma-form niya for that is also maliit din. Pero kapag malaki yung angle niya o yung kanyang buka, yung kanyang side na makikreate is mas mahaba. Okay, so that is just or that is all about the Hinge theorem. So for this one, thank you and always keep safe.